CLAT 2028 seems 2 years away, but when you just know that CLAT always happens in December 2027, or let's first say that in the month of December, then you must realize that CLAT 2028 is just 1.5 years away. And the better you start early, the better you have the chances to get ahead in this one particular examination. So hello CLAT aspirants, welcome back to Law Prep Tutorials YouTube channel. और जैसे कि आपको पता है कि टाइम बहुत जल्दी उड़ जाता है, इसीलिए आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ CLAT UG 2028 की strategy, so that you can just have the strategy right now and you know that how to start your preparation, how you can begin with your preparation from now itself, and then you can move ahead in acing this one particular examination with flying colors. आपको detailed strategy बताने वाली हूँ that how you have to start section wise, आपको कौन से phase में क्या करना है. All you have to do is stay tuned till the end of the video ताकि आपको पूरी strategy समझ में आ जाए, and then CLAT UG 2028 is in your hands. So let's dive into it and you have to understand कि आपको किस तरीके से. सबसे पहले तो आप ये बताओ द राइट वे टू थिंक, राइट. सबसे पहले आप ये सोचो कि क्लैट का जो पैटर्न है वो एक्चुअली पैटर्न है क्या, राइट. सो क्लैट इज नॉट अबाउट मेमोराइजिंग जीके और फिनिशिंग सिलेबस, राइट. मोस्ट ऑफ द कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में क्या होता है दैट आपको रोटिफाई करना होता है, रट्टा मारना होता है, या फिर आपको करना होता है सिलेबस कंप्लीट. आप अगर अपना सिलेबस कंप्लीट कर लेते हो, then you have the high chances of clearing that one particular examination. But CLAT is not that examination, right? You do not have to memorize the GK current affairs, or you do not have to just behind finishing the syllabus, right? CLAT is about reading, reasoning, decision making under time pressure, right? CLAT आपको किस चीज पे टेस्ट कर रहा है? CLAT आपको चेक कर रहा है रीडिंग पे, रीजनिंग पे, and how you will make decisions in time pressure, because you have to solve 120 minutes में 120 questions. That means on an average you are just getting 1 minute per question, जिसमें आपको 450 to 500 words का passage भी पढ़ना है, and then you have to solve the 5 to 6 follow-up questions as well, right? So पूरे passage को 5 to 6 follow-up questions को solve करने के बाद भी आपको मिलते हैं total 5 to 6 minutes ही, जिसमें आपको passage भी पढ़ना है और फिर उन questions को solve करना है, right? So your 1.5 year plan should be build skills slowly. So your 1.5 year plan should be you have to build your skills slowly, then you have to test them, refine them, and peak at the right time, right? तो आपकी strategy क्या होनी चाहिए? आप skills को build करना शुरू करो, then you have to test them through the mock test, then आपको उन mock test से आपकी weakness पता चलेगी, then you have to refine them, and then at the peak, at the end stage of your preparation, you have to take those skills at the peak and you do not have to commit any mistakes, where the accuracy is the most important part, right? Now, phase 1, foundation building. Now, from even if you begin from September, and now when you just start your 1.5 years of preparation, all you have to do is that from this month of March to September 2026, आप क्या करोगे? आप अपने CLAT के सारे syllabus को समझोगे that what CLAT is. आपके अभी बोर्ड्स खत्म होंगे, you will take some break, and then in the next 3 to 4 months of your preparation, what will you do is that you will understand the whole pattern and the syllabus of CLAT, right? So just to give you a brief idea, there are 5 sections involved in CLAT examination, that is legal reasoning, logical reasoning, GK current affairs, English, and quantitative techniques, right? It's a fully passage based paper and it contains 120 questions that you have to solve in 120 minutes, that is 2 hours, right? So now the phase 1 is foundation building. Build reading plus build reading plus reasoning base, right? आपको अपने reading का एक base बनाना है, and then you have to have a reasoning based analytics, right? Then reading is your first priority. Reading is your first priority in the months of these initial, when you are starting with your preparation. Daily non-negotiable editorial reading 30 to 45 minutes of preparation, 30 to 45 minutes of editorial reading, because sometimes direct passages are picked from the editorials and is given to you in your CLAT examination, right? Your topic should be politics, law, social issues, international relations, right? So these are the topics which are most important. Why? Because from these kinds of topic only your GK current affairs passages also come. Not just your reading habit is built from the editorial reading, but also the GK current affairs passages also come from these editorials and from these topics, right? Focus on central idea, tone, and the arguments, what the author is saying, that particular editorial, what is the central idea of that particular editorial, what is the tone, whether it's positive, whether it's negative, pessimistic, optimistic. Every tone you should know that what kind of tone that passage holds, and then what are the arguments that has been put up by the author, right? So this is what you have to do in the phase 1. Then the second thing that you have to do in your phase 1 is start legal reasoning basics. You don't need law, you need logic in legal context, right? आप लॉ पढ़ने एनएलयूज में जा रहे हो, आपसे पहले ही लॉ टेस्ट नहीं किया जाएगा, right? So you don't have to study the law beforehand. All you have to do is that you have to find out the logic given in the legal passage, right? All you have to do is practice principle based questions. You have to practice principle fact based questions, identify rule plus apply, right? So what you have to do is that you have to see the principle based questions. That means what principle based questions are, that whenever a passage is in front of you, the principle would be given in one line, and that principle becomes the Bible for you to solve the whole passage, right? That means, let's first say, if we take bigamy is illegal, right? And then there is a passage which is of 450 words. This principle would be applied onto this passage, and on the basis of this principle only, the whole facts would be solved. The whole follow-up questions of 5 to 6 questions that are given will be solved based on this one particular principle. So you have to practice all such kind of questions, right? Then for logical reasoning, focus on arguments, assumptions, inference. This is one of the most difficult sections of the CLAT examination. No, I'm not scaring you, I'm just giving you a reality check. Logical reasoning is the section कि अगर आपने इस section को strong section बना लिया, then nobody can stop you in acing the CLAT examination, because most of the students face difficulty in this one particular section, right? So that is why you have to focus on logical reasoning. The arguments, assumption based question, inference based questions are very, very important. This section overlaps heavily with legal, because sometimes you don't understand that what kind of questions can jumble up with the legal part, right? Then cons is the least weighted section, and then you have to practice the basic arithmetic and the DI, data interpretation, for the cons section, right? Don't over invest here, right? आपको बेसिक 10th तक की मैथ्स आपको पता होनी चाहिए, आपको अपने आप को ज्यादा इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट दिस इज नॉट एन इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्शन, दिस इज अ मेक और ब्रेक सेक्शन फॉर यू, but if you over invest here, the rest 4 sections will take a toll. So all you have to do is do the smart preparation, right? Then current affairs, start early. Daily news, don't memorize, understand the issues, right? So now what you have to do is that आपके CLAT 28 में आपसे पूछे जाएंगे जनवरी टू नवंबर 2027 के करंट अफेयर्स, राइट? बट अगर आप इस फेज में हो, तो इस फेज में आपको क्या करना है, अभी तो आप सबसे पहले अपने 4 सेक्शंस को कमांड कर लो, एंड देन you start building a habit of reading the newspaper, right? As and good you read the newspaper, as an early when you build a habit of reading the newspaper, it is gonna be a cakewalk for you to go ahead with the GK current affairs when you enter in the month of January, right? Mock test very light, one mock every 2 to 3 weeks. Focus learning, not scoring, right? आपको अभी सिर्फ ये चेक करना है कि आपकी स्पीड कितनी है, right? अभी आपको स्कोर्स के लिए मॉक को नहीं देना है, you have to see that what kind of speed that you have and how much you have to improve, right? How many questions are you able to solve in 120 minutes when they are passage based questions? And when they are passage based questions, how will you see that आपको कभी भी डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस को प्रैक्टिस नहीं करना है ड्यूरिंग दिस फेज. ऑल यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इज पैसेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, सो यू गेट अ आइडिया दैट व्हाट योर रीडिंग स्पीड्स होल्ड्स फॉर यू, राइट? नाउ phase 2 skill building, October 2026 to June 2027, राइट? अब जब आपने ये इनिशियल 4-5 मंथ्स में ये कर लिया, सितंबर तक आपने ये सारी चीजें कर ली, now what will you do in the second phase, which is your October 2026 to June 2027? Your goal is to convert basics into exam performance, right? अभी तक आपने जो बेसिक्स किए हैं आप उसको कन्वर्ट करोगे एक्चुअल परफॉर्मेंस में, राइट? नाउ यू विल कन्वर्ट इट इनटू योर परफॉर्मेंस. एडवांस्ड रीडिंग, नाउ शिफ्ट टू टाइम्ड रीडिंग, लॉन्ग पैसेजेस, बिल्ड स्पीड प्लस स्टैमिना. अभी तक आप एक नॉर्मल रीडिंग कर रहे थे. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज नाउ यू हैव टू टेक लॉन्ग पैसेजेस एंड यू हैव टू डू टाइम्ड रीडिंग, कि मुझे 1 मिनट में इतने वर्ड्स तो पढ़ने ही पढ़ने हैं, राइट? टाइम बाउंड योरसेल्फ and then only your reading speed would increase. अगर आप अपने आप को झूठ बोल के पढ़ते रहे that ठीक है हो जाएगी increase reading speed as and when the time flows, that is not gonna happen. You have to bound yourself with the time and then only the reading speed would be increased. Legal reasoning mastery, do this daily, 2 to 3 passages, analyze mistakes deeply, ask did I misread principle or did I overthink, right? So you have to at least practice 20 to 25 questions of legal daily. That means you have to must solve 3 to 4 passages every day, which is very 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 important, because eventually the practice makes the man perfect, right? Now the legal reasoning mastery we have already seen, daily 2 to 3 passages, analyze mistakes deeply. Now logical reasoning, focus on strengthening, weakening, critical reasoning. Always remember that CLAT used to have the more part of critical reasoning till past 2 years have changed, and now analytical reasoning is also in the picture. So you have to make sure that अब आप सिर्फ critical reasoning की practice नहीं कर रहे हो, because past 2 years से if you see CLAT 2025 and CLAT 2026 paper, analytical reasoning has taken a heads up and ज़्यादा questions analytical reasoning के आ रहे हैं. So that is why you have to practice critical reasoning and analytical reasoning also, right? Current affairs, monthly revision, issue based notes. Now you have to add the monthly revision. अगर आपने जनवरी के करंट अफेयर्स कर लिए हैं तो फरवरी में आप एक मॉक दो जिसमें जनवरी के करंट अफेयर्स हों, राइट? सो दैट इज हाउ यू हैव टू डू द monthly revision. Cons, DI sets plus speed and accuracy. Mock test, start serious. Now you have to give at least one mock every week, right? When you enter the month of October, one mock every week, that means at least 4 mocks in a month, and that is how you will see that eventually when you land up in the month of November 2027, you will see you must have solved almost around more than 60 to 70 mocks, right? Most important part, analyze mocks for 2 to 3 hours. Why wrong, pattern of mistakes, time management, all you have to understand कि आपको mock analysis, आपने mock दे दिया, that does not matter कि आपका काम complete हो गया. उस mock में आपसे क्या गलती हुई, क्या आपका score क्यों खराब आया, everything is something that you have to analyze. Whether it takes 2 hours, 3 hours, you have to devote that time in analyzing your mistakes, because if you don't analyze your mistakes, then it is going to be a problem for you, right? Now if you're somebody who is looking for the actual resources where you can prepare for CLAT UG 2028, then Law Prep Tutorial has launched its CLAT UG 2028 batches. The batches are live. All you have to do is visit our website www.lawpreptutorial.com to know all the details, and that is where you will understand that you have just one stop solution for all your problems. कहीं और जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको सारी चीजें मिलने वाली हैं, आपके सीनियर फैकल्टीज के साथ मंथली सेशंस होते हैं, all the doubts will be cleared within 24 hours, and everything, you get the flashcards, you get the revision notes monthly basis, everything one stop solution at Law Prep Tutorial. So what you have to do is go check out the website, or you can find out all the details in the description box, or also you can just call our counselors, the number again in the description box, to know all the details, right? So you take one step, we'll take 10 steps for you, but take step to low, and then we will be happy to help you out in every way possible if you're looking for, and if you seriously want to prepare for CLAT UG 2028, right? Now the phase 3, the most important phase of your CLAT preparation journey, which is the phase of July 2027 or to December 2027. Goal is to maximize the score and minimize mistakes, right? Now accuracy should be everything. Accuracy should be everything. Mock tests heavy, 2 to 3 mocks per week. Every alternate day आपको mocks देने होंगे. That is how you will analyze your performance, and you will recognize your weak links, right? You will recognize your weak links so that you can work upon it. Deep analysis, if after every mock, identify weak sections, track accuracy, fix time allocation. Legal plus logical is your priority. These sections give maximum returns, right? Then your current affairs revised last 12 to 18 months. I would not say 18 months, but at least 12 months का आपको अपना current affairs tips पे होना चाहिए. Focus on major issues, not random facts, right? You should know the history of the current affairs, कि वो current affairs picture में आया कहाँ से उसकी background शुरू हुआ है, right? Then revision mode, short notes. You have to make your short notes, you have to maintain your error notebook, right? Short notes are very important because जब आपके revision का time आएगा तब आप अपनी सारी books सब कुछ लेके नहीं बैठोगे, आपके वहां पर short notes ही काम आएंगे, right? And then you have to maintain an error notebook as well, कि आपने कहाँ गलती की, first mock से लेके आप 100 mocks भी दे रहे हो तो 100 mock तक का आपके पास record होना चाहिए, that first mock, this are all the mistakes that I made, and this is the last mock, that this is the mistake that I made, and you will see the growth by yourself, right? जहां आपका 20, 30, 40 score आ रहा था, and where you will be scoring more than 100 in the last mock that you give, right? So that is how you have to maintain an error notebook as well, right? Now what should be your daily ideal routine? 4 to 6 effective hours, that you can devote 3 to 4 hours for your daily routine. 1 to 1.5 hours of reading, 1 to 1.5 hours of legal reasoning, 1 hour of logical reasoning, 45 minutes of current affairs, and 30 minutes of your cons, right? So this is how you can divide your time. You can plus minus a little of time. This is a sample schedule that I should give you as a strategy builder, but you can definitely mold it according to your schedule that you have of your school and the other co-curricular activities, right? Now, what are the biggest mistakes that you should be avoiding while starting with your CLAT preparation journey for UG 2028? Waiting to start seriously later. Procrastination में आप कभी भी आज नहीं तो कल नहीं, कभी भी नहीं कर पाओगे, and that is why you should be not procrastinating. Ignoring reading, 100% CLAT clear नहीं होगा. CLAT will not be cleared. CLAT नहीं होगा if you are not focusing on reading part. Over focusing on GK memorization, GK memorization को रट्टा नहीं मारना है, basics को, issues को समझना है, and that is how you can move ahead with your current affairs. Not analyzing mocks, mocks को आपने दे दिया, giving mocks is not equal to improvement. You have to analyze it, that where did you do your mistakes so that you can improve them in the next mock that you give, right? Using too many resources, that is again a problem. You should rely on 1 or 2 resources which you have full faith upon, right? And that is what the topper strategy is also. Focus on accuracy first, speed comes later, then build your question instinct, eliminate wrong options fast, avoid traps, right? Track mistakes, the error log notebook that I said to you, right? Maintain mistake notebook, think like examiner, ask why is this option wrong, right? That is how the toppers build their strategy. That is how toppers see that what mistakes they are doing, they follow the elimination method, and that is only how you also have to build your strategy in the next 1.5 years, right? Your progress timeline should look like this. By mid 2026, comfortable reading, basic accuracy. By mid 2027, strong in legal plus logical, consistent mock scores. And by November 2027, stable high scores, minimal silly mistakes, right? So this should be your timeline in the next 1.5 years. I hope now you understood that how you have to proceed further with your CLAT UG 2028 preparation journey. If you have any doubts, do let us know in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you out in every way possible. All you have to do is that follow this strategy so that you can 100% ace this examination. Till then, do not forget to check out the details for the CLAT UG 2028 batches that has been launched by Law Prep Tutorial. Jaldi se website pe chale jao, and sari details is something that you will find out there, or you can talk to our counselors as well. Till then, I'll see you in the next video, and all the best for your preparation.